Hello hairdresser, welcome to Floractive. My name is MJ, I'm a nanoplasty specialist, and I'm here today to explain about the macadamia line. I know this line has been one of the favorite lines of all the times because the power of hydration of this product is unbelievable. We all know that macadamia seeds are very hydrating. They've got a great amount of oils, and this product has been designed to save majority of the hair problems with dryness. So if the hair is really dry, dull, over-processed, this is the best shot. We've got the macadamia serum that it's perfect for you to spray before the application of the nanoplasty. So prior the application of nanoplasty, spray on the hair, especially where the hair feels dry and when it feels rough on the hands. Leave it on for about 1 or 2 minutes max and apply the nanoplasty solution straight away after. After the rinse, you spray a little bit more again and you will see that the hair becomes nice and soft to dry. Another really important use for this product is as a treatment alone. If you are doing any bleach or any hair and you just want to have a nice serum as a leave-in to blow dry, this will be your best friend. You spray on the hair straight away before the blow dry. It's going to enhance the shyness and also make the blonde very glossy. This mask here, I've been naming it as a savior because really it helps in those cases where you don't have anything in the salon to save that client. You know that over-processed hair, the hair that feels extremely rough on the hands, the hair that feels lifeless. This is the product for you. So if you have a client that you finish the blonde and you need something extremely strong to give to this hair an amazing feeling of softness and shyness, this is the product. It creates a really good line of reconstruction. I'm going to show you also the consistency of this product. It creates a web because it's a really thick solution, and it also has this consistency. And look at this. This product is the heaviest product that you're gonna find in the whole line. And I haven't found a product with this kind of consistency. It's so heavy. The mask is so strong, capable to make any hair that it's knotty, that it's lifeless, that it's very dry, hydrated and shiny on the same day. If you are planning to use before the nanoplasty, you need to rinse it out 100%. So prior the application of the nanoplasty, you can apply the macadamia mask when you feel that the hair is over-processed or very dry, especially when it's blonde. But if you are planning to use afterwards, after the nanoplasty application, it's amazing as well when the hair is dry and over-processed as a blonde hair. This mask, seriously, my clients are loving it, and I know that you're gonna love as well. And also the smell of this product, it's like, I want to eat this. It's so good. So try it out. If you haven't tried Hairdresser, it's your time to try the best solution for blonde hair ever. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!